Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are switching things up and we are going to be doing some fall entertaining together. We're going to set up a fall or Thanksgiving tablescape, and we're also going to be making a simple sausage soup in the Instant Pot. We're going to set everything up, make it together, and show you guys how entertaining for the fall is very easy and can be stress-free. So I did want to mention that today's video is sponsored by JCPenney, and I'm so excited to refresh my fall serveware. I've always wanted to try out an Instant Pot for the convenience of it, so I got one from JCPenney, as well as some different serveware items that I can use in the upcoming holiday months. So if you guys are fall entertaining as well, definitely check out JCPenney for all of your entertaining needs. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the items because I am so excited about them. The first one is this beautiful wood bowl. It has leather handles on here, and you guys know that I love anything leather. This makes it great for putting salads in. You can put tortilla chips. I actually had a girls' night the other night and we did a taco bar, and I put all of the chips in here, but it's a very large bowl and I just love it. And I think it is just so beautiful. So I got this, and then I also got another wooden piece that matches. I also got this huge charcuterie board. Oh my goodness. How cool is this? It's actually pretty heavy too. So it has the two leather handles on the ends. The wood piece is very heavy duty. I love the color of this wood. You could put a charcuterie board of any kind on this. You could do, oh my gosh, all kinds of things. Like I said, we had a taco bar and I had all kinds of stuff on here. So nice and functional. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this as a centerpiece on my Thanksgiving table, but you could definitely put bread on here. You could put just a variety of different things and it would be so cute. You could also just have it set on your counter and stuff set on there that is easy to serve with. So love those two pieces. I also picked up a new set of flatware. This is kind of a gold color. It's stainless steel flatware and it is titanium color plated. And I think they are beautiful. They're just a really pretty gold color, kind of a flat gold. They're also dishwasher safe and they have a 25-year warranty on here. So I love these. I'm going to set these up on our table. I think it'll make it just a little bit more special having special flatware for the holidays. And last but not least, I got an Instant Pot, and I am so excited about this because during the holidays we are making so many different foods, and a lot of times you need things in a pinch, and the Instant Pot cooks things really quickly. So if you're interested in any of these products, I will have them linked down below, as well as JCPenney's website, so you guys can get stocked up for fall entertaining. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this video. We are going to make that sausage tortellini soup that looks so yummy. I also went to Trader Joe's for the very first time the other day, and I picked up some of their pizza dough. So I think I'm going to make some breadsticks with that, and I'm going to set up the table for a really cozy fall dinner meal. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the ingredients you'll need are, I think it calls for dried tortellinis, but you could use any kind you want. I just got this from Sam's. You'll need some half and half diced tomatoes, tomato paste, onions or onion powder, Italian seasoning, chicken broth, 4 cups of it, some Parmesan cheese, Italian sausage, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper. And I think that is it. So let's go ahead and get to making it. We're just going to turn the Instant Pot on, saute, and if you guys prefer to actually have a physical recipe, I will link the Pinterest recipe down below. First, we're gonna add in some olive oil and get it nice and warm. And then we're gonna put in a tablespoon of garlic. Let that get fragrant. I don't think it's gonna take long. And then we'll go ahead and add our mild sausage. Next, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 1 can of diced tomatoes, then 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and then you will finish it off with 2 cups of chicken broth. Once that's all mixed in together, you're going to add in your tortillas, add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then you are ready to go. Okay, so I switched the Instant Pot from saute to manual pressure cook on high, and it is reheating right now, so the pressure is building up. I made sure that the lid is tightly closed correctly. The valves are all good. You want to make sure and just check everything before you use these, and definitely read the manual. That way you know how to operate this, just so you are aware, because it is a powerful little machine. So definitely be careful and use with caution and just educate yourself on the machine. But I am so excited to have one. So all I did was do the pressure cook, and then you're going to cook it for 4 minutes. It'll probably take about 5 minutes to get to the full pressure though. So once it is done preheating, then the 4 minutes will automatically come on and it'll pressure cook, and then we'll go ahead and let the pressure release once that is done. Once it's done pressure cooking for 4 minutes, we're going to add in the extra chicken broth, so 2 more cups, and then a half a cup of half and half. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and make the breadsticks. I just got some of the Trader Joe's ready to bake garlic herb pizza dough, and we're gonna make some breadsticks. So I've got my oven preheated to 450 degrees. If you're making something for a crowd and you want to make it kind of homemade, but you don't want to like make your own bread, getting bread dough is a great option. It is okay to not make everything homemade. Go the easy route. Even if you want to get frozen bread, that would be totally fine as well. But we're going to try this out because it looked really good at Trader Joe's.
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
Okay, it just went off, so the 4 minutes is done. We're going to let it just naturally release for about 5 minutes, and then we'll release the rest of the pressure manually using that little valve button. All right, while we're waiting on that to finish releasing, we're gonna go ahead and set the table. I'm really excited to do a little bit more of a Thanksgiving tablescape with you guys. I haven't done that yet. I showed decorating my table in my fall clean and decorate with me video, but I haven't done a dedicated Thanksgiving tablescape. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I am so excited. So I'm gonna use all 3 of these products mentioned that I picked up from JCPenney, and then we will go ahead and put this tablescape together. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I'm gonna start by laying out a table runner. So I'm just going to put it in the middle of the table, and then I'm gonna bring out that charcuterie board, and I'm gonna use that as my main focal piece. Next, I'm gonna make an arrangement on there with pumpkins. I also added a copper colander. I added some pumpkins and eucalyptus in there, and then I'm just going to arrange pumpkins all throughout. I also have these little copper serveware dishes that I put pumpkins in, and also these
these vintage cloches, and I put some little pumpkins inside of them. And then I'm also going to add some little pumpkins as filler pieces. And then to step it up just a little bit, I also added some berries. And then to tie it all together, I decided to add some twinkle lights, just to add a little bit of lights and a little bit of something extra. To add some height, I decided to add some candlesticks. These are just black candlesticks that I picked up at a thrift store that I spray painted black. So that is the tablescape. I wanted to keep it pretty simple, that way you could see across the table. But now we're going to go ahead with the place setting. So I just have a charger, I have our dishes, and then a Ray Dunn gobble plate. And then I'm going to use paper napkins because I didn't have any that matched that were linen. So we're just going to use these Ray Dunn throwaway napkins. I'm going to place them on the right hand side. And then I'm also going to add some little copper mules, and I'm just going to add them up there as well. No particular side. I'm not making this super fancy or etiquette. I'm just putting it how it feels right. All right, the garlic knots are out of the oven, so I'm going to go ahead and get those out, and then we will continue on with the table. I've got these flatware ready to go. I didn't wash them for the sake of this video, but make sure if you do get new flatware to wash them before you use.
Okay, the 5 minutes is up, so I'm gonna go ahead and press the release button to release the steam and the pressure. Okay, and we'll wait for that to fully release, and then we will continue the rest of the process. Okay, so to serve the bread on the table, I'm going to take just a little basket, and I thought it'd be cute to put just a little dish towel in here. I thought I would let this leaf hang out. It's in a leather material. It says, "Let's get cozy." So I figured I would just place the napkin right in here, and then I'm just going to stick my bread right in here. And this turned out really good. I kind of burnt it just a little bit, but you guys can see. So there it is. So yummy. I think it'll be great with the soup. Okay, now once all the pressure is released, we're going to open the lid. We'll set this over here. We're gonna give this a quick stir. It's looking so good. We're gonna add in the rest of the chicken broth and half a cup of half and half. If you wanna make it a little bit creamier, you can add more half and half. It's just up to you. I might do half a cup and then another half. Okay, we're gonna put this on saute mode for about 2 minutes. Let it all heat up and mix together, and we'll be good to go. Okay, saute mode is on. I'm gonna give this a quick stir. Okay, it's completely cooked through, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. And I'll go ahead and just leave the lid off, and I'll get the salad ready, and we are almost ready to eat. Okay, I'm gonna put salad in this bowl. So I just got 2 big Caesar salad packs, and I'm going to just stick them right in. Easy as that. And honestly, I think one might do it. So Got our toppings, I'll put those on the side, but we'll have our salad ready to go. All right, here's what it's looking like. So good. This would be such a good take for something different for Thanksgiving, or if you have family that's in, you can make a big pot of this and call it good. Oh man, that looks so yummy. Yum. And then you can also top it with some shredded Parmesan. All right, and there you have it, a simple fall or Thanksgiving tablescape. We've got our bread, we've got the plate set. If you didn't have soup, you could have just a regular Thanksgiving meal. Otherwise, you could switch it out for a bowl. Then we also have our salad bowl in this beautiful wooden bowl. Oh my gosh, I love these pieces so much. We've got the wooden charcuterie board down there with our tablescape and the beautiful flatware. So I love this so much. I'm not hosting at the moment, but we're gonna have a yummy fall meal and enjoy these garlic knots. Oh my goodness, so good. Those will be perfect dipped in the tortellini soup. Okay, so the true taste test. Let's go ahead and give it a whirl. It's still really hot, but so good. And this little crunchy bread, so good. Definitely gonna add this recipe to my recipe box. I think this will be great for the winter months. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed making dinner with me and getting some inspiration on fall tablescapes. I love the Instant Pot. I think I'm going to use it so much. So if you have a tried and true Instant Pot recipe, definitely send it my way. I'm going to be using it so much this winter. So make sure to like this video if you liked it. This is probably the last fall related video that I'll be posting here on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and stay tuned for all the Christmas decorating to come. I am so excited. I think this weekend I'm going to start undecorating all of my fall decor and getting all of my Christmas out. So definitely stay tuned for that. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. My handle is @kaylyn_cash. I'll be posting sneak peeks over there. And I also do tons of cook with me's during the weeknights whenever I'm making stuff. So go follow me over there for daily inspo and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the holiday content coming up. Thanks again to JCPenney for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.